Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to unzip files on Android. But before that, here's what we'll cover. Locating the zip file, extracting the file, open the new file. Let us get started. To unzip files on your Android phone, start by opening the File Manager app from the home screen or app drawer. Once inside the File Manager, navigate to the folder where the zip file is stored, which is usually the downloads folder, unless the file was saved elsewhere. Well, mine is located in Archives. After locating the zip file, tap on it to open it. The phone will automatically recognize it as a compressed file and display an option to extract files to or extract here. Select this option to begin the extraction process. The device will then create a new folder in the same location containing all the unzipped files. Once the process is complete, you can open this newly created folder to access and use the extracted files as needed. And that's it. That is how to unzip files on Android. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Steps may vary slightly depending on your device settings or software version. The creator is not responsible for any data loss or issues that may occur while following this guide. Always ensure your files are from trusted sources before opening or extracting them. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions or want us to cover other phone features? Please do drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.